Our first step will be learning what is the equivalent to our alphabet, although in this case it would be more accurate to call it a syllabary, because the most basic sounds in Japanese are composed of syllables and not letters. The simplest way to remember it is by memorizing this from right to left. A, ka, sa, ta, na, ha, ma, ya, ra, wa. All Japanese sounds can be derived from this logically, as you will learn in this activity. At the same time, we'll learn our first writing system called Hiragana. From the first column, we derive the vowels, which pronunciation is similar to Spanish and goes in this order: a, I, u, e, o. From here on, we can figure the rest out logically. Just beware of a few exceptions, which are shown in red. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ya, yu, yo. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Wa, wo, n. Additionally, we have what is known as impure pronunciation, and it applies only to a few columns. These are marked with a pair of dots or 10. Ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Za, ji, zu, ze, zo. Da, ji, zu, de, do. Ba, bi, bu, be, bo. Also, for the ha columns, we have ba, pi, pu, pe, po, which is marked with a circle or maru.